Hey everybody, it's Project Onyx. Today I installed my new hybrid bumper. It's been shipped to Fitautomtive where it got powder coated. Please check them out. They are located in Fort Myers, Florida. Here at Fitautomtive, they have your LED steel bumpers. They also do powder coating, wheels, tires, shocks, anything you can think of.
Kind of disorganized right now, but it's been a crazy week. A lot of this stuff is all takeoffs from dealerships. This is kind of the setup. Powder coat facility. In the near future, there's going to be another hoist here because they do so much work and they have to turn their powder coated wheels so fast.
Okay.
They need their own hoist, so we're kind of branching this off in its own little area.
Okay.
Now.
I ordered this bumper from Winch or Tacoma. Please check out the website on the link below for more of their products. That's real good. Wow.
This is Frank. He did all your work for you.
Check them out, Fitautomtive. If I win first place, I'm challenging them out. Alright, time to take this bad boy home and install it. Alright, one last look before I install my bumper. I kind of want to keep it like this though. Oh well. Alright, we got the Smittybilt Winch, my new hybrid steel bumper. Got my friend Matt helping me putting on the bumper tonight. So let's see how this goes. Alright, getting my Smittybilt Winch ready. Just gotta spool this in by hand first and then do it later. It's gonna be coming out right there. If you buy the Smittybilt X20, this is not set up, so probably have to want to do this ahead of time to save you some time. Alright, we got the winch on. You do have to take these brackets off to get these aligned like this. Alright, this is our current situation. We're going to mount the hybrid bumper on the Tacoma now. One, two, three, go. Look on the other side where you said. Good? Yeah. morning. Got home late last night, and here's this. I gotta grind this off so I can put my flat link on. Because this is what I'm gonna install. Factor 55 flat links. It's a beauty.